Let's take a look at how we are going to represent a vector mathematically. We know that graphically we are going to use an arrow to represent a vector. Let's say a vector is A. We are going to use a bold letter A to call that vector. It's easy to type a bold letter on a computer, but if you're writing on a paper, it's hard to distinguish a bold letter from a typical letter. So in that case, you can use a vector hat with a regular letter A to call that a vector A. Now we know that a vector is composed of a magnitude information and a direction information. For a magnitude information, we'll use an italic letter A, basically without any hat on top of it, or we can use an absolute sign with a vector notation, in this case a bold letter A inside of it, and this whole thing is a magnitude of a vector. In terms of a direction, we are going to use a caret hat on top of a letter to signify its direction, and by convention, the direction of a vector is a unit vector, which means its magnitude is always 1 by convention. So how are we going to combine magnitude and direction to form a complete vector mathematically? Well, the answer is in this box. A complete vector bold letter A is equal to a magnitude of the vector multiplied by a direction of a vector. And there you have it, a full information of a vector represented by math. To enforce your learning, write, comment, or share what you have learned today and hashtag PhysicsLitUp. And subscribe to Physics Lit Up for the next video.